Now we have Ritu Sharma ma'am, who's from DPS Nagpur, who all these people are very willing, cooperate and head with us. So this session that we have today, we are assuming, some people have not yet reached that stage, but most of you have reached that stage that you all are ready with the characters, you all are ready with the blocks, and today the Art and IT department of DPS is going to help you out to understand how to make things much more simpler. So when I used to talk to you about expression, a lot of people say we are not able to download, we are not to reach there, and I didn't know things myself. So I thought that I as well get all the right people who have explained things to me, let them do the talking. Now, during this program, you'll also realize that you may be a little advanced than what these people are talking about. So I'll be putting in my comments in between. And if you have something more, please share it with your principal and revert to me. We'll try to express your views, your talent and skill and share it with other people, if anything which can help the graphic novel to go a long way. So without taking much time, I did mention that I'll just take not 1, 2, 3 minutes. So this is a program in collaboration with City Palace at Maharaja Sawai Mansingh II Museum Trust Jaipur and DPS Nagpur, wherein the graphic novel work which we are all working at is being done upon. And I believe that after this session, your work will be much more faster because you'll get some shortcuts to do things. Shortcuts are not the ethical ways, the ethical ways. And if you have any questions, please keep on them on chat because Kalyani ma'am from DPS will be able to attend to them and look after them. And I'll be again talking to NB where I do interject and a little more when it gets in the end. So welcome everyone. Over to Kalyani ma'am. Please take over. I will speak what I need to when I feel that it's required to come in between, right?
Sandeep sir, here I would like to tell you, good evening everybody, especially Sandeep sir. Sir, we are actually honored and you've given us the platform and especially my management who agreed, especially my director, Mrs. Savita Jaiswal, who agreed to it instantly. And she gives us this why not exposure to our team. So I would actually like to thank Sandeep sir for giving us this platform. Sir, you're giving us such big platforms. My team is so happy. So don't thank me.
Ma'am, the work which your team had done was so impressive. That is why I picked up, and in all my presentations, I've added your characters. And of course, I don't know the IT part of how to get these things done, etc. So I could tell them that DPS वालों ने किया है, हम उनको पकड़ के आपके सामने ले आएंगे. So well, we are getting that here. So see, when there is work, I think it should be shared amongst all, and that is good that your management thinks that way, and everyone is very positive.
My management is
Over to
really
the
helpful.
school, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yes, that's it. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Ma'am, all yours.
Evening to one and all. On behalf of Delhi Public School, Kamptee Road, Nagpur, I, Kalyani Guha, welcome once again all the esteemed guests and participating schools to this webinar on art and technical guidance for graphic novel. Our principal, Ms. Ritu Sharma, has always been instrumental in bringing innovation to the classes in various ways, and this is one of her dreams, I must say. We all have grown reading comics, and in this age of multimedia, to get back to the very idea of comics was interesting, and about that, integrating this idea in academics has added zing to the teacher's routine. Sandeep sir, the guiding star, has paved the path for us and sure for all of us here. Treading on his marked path, we at DPS Kamptee Road, Nagpur have come to a phase where we are honored to share our art and IT skills. Once again, I welcome all of you to this interesting, colorful, and transformational webinar. I request our art team to take over. But yes.
Hello and everyone. Welcome to everyone. I'm Chandrika Nath from Art Department, Delhi Public School, Kamptee Road, Nagpur. Along with Mr. Rohit Maheshkar, our departmental head, and Mrs. Monali Bhavankar, my colleague. In this session, We will illustrate the intricacies and aesthetics of artwork involved in developing characters. In this session, we will illustrate the intricacies and aesthetics of artwork developed in developing characters and also in creating relevant backdrops also. As soon as the English department decided on the characters of the graphic novel, they passed on such vital information to our team. We started working on fine details, wherein we first understood each character as a relationship and basic nature. Here we have Rohit Maheshkar. Today we have with us, he's showing the steps of creating the characters. He's going to show the illustration of Purva Dikshit, a chippy girl, very cheerful, lively, and always in good mood. See how he's working on the picture. The basic shapes first. As when we create a character sketch, we're trying to introduce the viewer to someone. We want the viewer to have a strong mental image of the person, to know how the person works, how the person talks, to know the person's characteristic ways to doing things. So see how he's working on that.
So I'll just take over from here, ma'am. See, our teachers, I very specifically have asked your subject teacher to write down the characters, age, gender, financial status, anything like that, which will help you to develop the character. So the more specification you take from them, it will be easy for you to make a very detailed, sharp feature character. Now, why do you need to have sharp feature? आपको sharp feature की जरूरत क्यों है? क्योंकि जब कंप्यूटर डिपार्टमेंट इसको मिनटों में एक्सप्रेशन चेंज करेगा, थोड़े ज्यादा मिनटों में कलर चेंज करेगा, तो बहुत उभर कर आएंगे. तो अगर आपने थोड़ा शाबी काम किया, इतना साफ सुथरा काम नहीं किया कैरेक्टर बनाने में, तो कंप्यूटर डिपार्टमेंट को भी मजा नहीं आएगा उसमें एक्सप्रेशन लाने के लिए. इसीलिए मुझे लगता है कि शुरू में हमने कहा था ये रिले रेस है, 4 टीम्स दौड़ रही हैं. पहले टीम एकेडमिक टीचर है, उसके बाद में लैंग्वेज टीचर है, फिर आर्ट टीचर है. आर्ट टीचर का मुख्य काम, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट काम है कि कैरेक्टर स्केच बहुत साफ सुथरा निकल आए. जितना साफ निकल आएगा उतना ही सबको उसमें मजा आएगा करने के. तो यदि आपने अपने कैरेक्टर्स बनाए हैं और आपको लगता कि नहीं इस सेशन के बाद में मुझे समझ में आ रहा है कि और साफ सुथरा करना है, प्लीज कैरेक्टर स्केच सारा बनाइए. जब तक आपके कैरेक्टर स्केच अच्छे नहीं रहेंगे, कॉमिक ग्राफिक नॉवेल के अंदर मजे नहीं आएगा. Are you getting point, teachers? आप देखिए आपका रोल कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है, और आपका रोल इंपॉर्टेंट है पर हमने उसको थोड़ा सा आसान कर दिया है, क्योंकि इस सेशन में कलरिंग आपकी हो जाएगी कंप्यूटर के माध्यम से, और जो मुझे शुरू से जो आफत लगती थी, द एक्सप्रेशंस, दे विल कम आउट ब्यूटिफुली थ्रू द आईटी डिपार्टमेंट. अब तो चैलेंज हमारा ये है कि आप अपने बच्चों के साथ में इनके कपड़े बदलवा लो, केवल कलर चेंज मत करो. ट्राई टू सी वेदर पैजामा कैन बिकम अ पैंट, you know, things like that. ये भी आईटी डिपार्टमेंट बताएगा कि वो कर पाएगा कि नहीं कर पाएगा. बट एक्सप्रेशन जो उन्होंने संभाल लिया आईटी डिपार्टमेंट में, इट इज मोर देन हाफ द बैटल वन फॉर द ग्राफिक नॉवल. क्योंकि मैंने पहले काम किया उसमें मुझे बहुत दिक्कत आती थी. 1 साल लगा था मुझे कुछ 160 कैरेक्टर्स डेवलप करने में, और अभी यहाँ पे मिनटों में काम हो जाएगा. ओवर टू मैम, सॉरी फॉर टेकिंग ओवर.
Thank you, sir. As we all know, art and aesthetics is the spice of life. They are fragrance of existence. Okay, so now quickly I want to share a few points on how we proceed with this work. First point is get to know your character. The very first step in our process is to come up with an idea about our character. Next step is to take inspiration In this step, we started searching for inspiration like who, what, when, why, etc. The third point is exploration sketches. Here we are focusing on getting down the feeling and overall vibe of the character. Point number 4 is rough drawing. In this step, we started thinking more about design, about anatomy, expressions, and all. And for that, we have to go back to the storytelling element again. Next point is final line drawing. In this step, we pushed our design further by cleaning up the drawing and adding more details. Point number 6 is color thumbnails. Here we worked on skin tone with light and shadow effect, etc. 7th point is adding flat colors to a clean drawing. Here we added details like makeup, nail polish, and further details. And the last point is adding shadows and highlight. This is the final step. Here we make a couple of layers set to multiply or overlay. We added some shadows also. Then we started preparing suitable background after getting the character approved by the team members. After getting the completion of both the characters and the background, it was then handed over to the IT department. So this was the process. Now I'd like to invite IT department to explain you further how the changes in the color, expressions, and the other things incorporate with the graphic novel. Thank you, and over to Mrs. Deepika Bhardwaj from IT department.
Good evening, everyone.
Thank you so much, Chandrika ma'am. I'm very impressed with your work, Chandrika Nag ma'am. Thank you so much.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good evening, everyone. As our art department has already explained how the characters were actually made, they have designed in such a detailed manner that even an eyelash was visible. The features were very sharp and the integrities were very clear to us. So it became little easy for us to work on them. If the features are not sharp and they are not very well defined, then it becomes little difficult for the IT team to work upon the expressions and other aspects of the character. So once the characters were given to us, we started working on the very first thing, and that was changing color of the costumes. So right now, I'm going to demonstrate how we used one app to actually change the colors of the costume. There are many apps and online sites available, but this app was very handy. It can be easily downloaded on any Android phone, and it is free of cost. Sir, you wanted to say something?
Nothing now. I'll let you know later.
Okay, sir. Okay. So, sir, we have decided on the costume color change, and we have downloaded one app called Change Color. This is an app which is easily available on Play Store. So right now I'm going to do the screen share for you to explain you and demonstrate you how the color of the costumes can be changed. This is the mobile screen. My mobile is shared right now. You can see on the screen that there is an app next to the WhatsApp. Everybody knows the WhatsApp icon. They can see the icon of Change Color app. This has been downloaded from the Play Store, and this is an Android phone. So we have downloaded from the Play Store and it is free. So once we click on the app, we see the screen where we can select the image which we want to work upon. So right now I'm going to click on the file icon, go into my gallery. Once I go into the gallery, I need to select the character which I want to work. So the same character which was drawn in front of you by our art department, I'm going to work upon that. So I'm selecting the same character. As you can see, is Purva Dikshit, the character from our novel. So first thing, we are going to select the color which we want to put into the dress. Right now, the color is pink. I'm going to change it to blue color. So there is a brush icon. You have to click on it. The moment you click on it, you get multiple options on the top. First option is to decide the stroke width. That is the brush width which you want to use. So right now I'm keeping it on a medium stroke and I'm going to click on OK. Then I'm going to select the color. These are the colors which you can select from. You can create a different color. I'm going to use blue color here. So I'm going to select that. Once you select, you can zoom in and zoom out the characters with just a flick of your fingers. So I'm going to zoom in so that I can start filling the color in the character's costume. You have to move your finger on the dress so that the color starts filling. You need not to worry if it goes out of the coloring area because we have an option of erasing it. If we commit any mistake, we can easily undo the last action as well and redo if we thought that we have done a mistake and undo the thing, we can redo it again. So right now I'm just filling the color in the costume and you can see the transformation happening. You can select a thicker width stroke for filling larger areas, and where there are fingers and the neckline where you want to go little close to the borders, then you need to select a finer stroke. As you can see, the skirt is already done. Now I'm going to color the top part. Again, I'm going to tell the name. The name of the app is Change Color App. You can see the change happening in the color. Wherever it is left, you can just zoom in and check if there is any spot which is left. You can just do that. You can color it in the similar manner. Okay. Once this is done, I'm going to use the eraser as well. I'm going to deliberately color outside the coloring area. See, I have drawn outside the coloring area, and all you have to do is use the eraser, just click on it and wipe it off. It is quite simple to use. It is easy. Yes. This way, you need to color it. Once you are done, even you can do the fine coloring in this part. You can change the color of the hairband as well. See, it's quite easy. You can match it with the costume. Even the bow can be matched. So small details can also be colored with it. And once you are done, you need to click on the done option and export the file and save it with the correct name. You can easily share it with the art department or your colleagues and export it. I'm going to show you one more design which I have already created and kept ready for you. Just a second. This is the same thing which we have done earlier also. This image was also done with the help of this app. The original color was light yellowish, and we have changed it to creamish color with polka dots on it. We have also changed the color of the blouse, and we have put in the polka dots. So these small things you can do with the help of this app. I hope this was helpful to you. And now, right now, I'm going to stop this screen share, and my colleague, Ms. Savita Sharma, will describe you how further we can put prints on the same costume. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, Deepika ma'am. And friends, I keep emphasizing the fact that the art teacher has to make the character very clean, very clear. And look at this, what the IT department has done with this character of giving us so many dresses. So much of fun watching what you can create without using the actual color. But colleagues, I need you to introduce to one more person who's in the group right now. Nutan ma'am, can you come on the screen somewhere? I don't know how to do it. So Nutan Mathur ma'am is from St. Edmunds, Jawahar, Jaipur. She is a lady who has tolerated me for 6 months, or maybe I don't know much time, to get the first graphic novel of French Revolution. So when in all my sessions, we build the program. In fact, I send the French Revolution graphic novel beforehand for you to go through. And the entire artwork has been done with Nutan Mathur ma'am and her team. So we really welcome you, Nutan ma'am, because had you not to do the first graphic novel, we would have not moved ahead. So the success of the first novel from St. Edmunds, your director team, your principal team, Anu ma'am, everyone has given us energy to go forth and do this much more. So thank you for being here, because I know you are doing excellent work coming for the next session. I think you're designing 3 graphic novels for us. So all kudos to you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much,
So
sir.
back to our team here for continuing putting some patterns on this particular dress.
Good evening, everyone. Now, after you are aware of how to color the costumes of the characters. Now, as my colleague told, that art department has given us such a fine character with the sharp features. It made for us very easy to intricate all the different colors and expressions as well to each character. So I'm going to show you first how to print certain shapes, or just make a dress look different just by changing color, and after changing color, putting some prints on the dress. So I'll just share my screen. You can see the screen. This is the same character which just now you have seen. It was colored by ma'am. So I'm going to put some designs on this dress. This is a paint program. The program which I'm using to put the print on the dress of the character is paint program, which is easily available, and it is available on Windows, which we are very used to also. We use it very frequently. So I'm just zooming it, and I'll scroll down to the part of the dress which I want to print. Now I'm choosing one curved line. The color of the brush is black, and this is the size of brush. Then I'll just draw. Again, one more. Here we just need to, we have coordinated with the art department for this also, that to match up the colors of the costumes and the color combination of the costume, so that it looks better when we present it at the final level, and as well as the prints and all which we have done till now. So this is the one, like I have drawn one curved line for just give it a different look. Now, if I want to put any shape, there are different shapes available in paint. So I'm using this star symbol with white color to just give a print on it, and the size of the brush, and I will just draw. It will just make a simple dress which was colored to make a little look in different way. and it will give a very good impact that when we present it on at the final stage. So like this, you can just use different tools and shapes available in Paint and design the print of the dresses. Now again, to make it more presentable, like I'm using one spray brush, and the color, the size of the color, size of the brush, and I'm going to give some more effects on it. It also depends on the script and scene. You can just coordinate with our art department and decide what should be the color and the prints on the dresses. And likewise, you can just design it using paint simply. So when I just zoom this in, you can see it has been printed, and now it is looking a little different. Like this, I have designed, we have designed so many pictures. I'm going to show you. Again, I'm just repeating the name of the application is Paint. You can use Paint to just print on the different characters' costumes as per the need and as per the requirement of the scene or script. Now I will just show you some of the different prints which we already have been incorporated in some of the characters, like this. This is the girl which we have colored in different way and then put it the simple print using Paint only. And this is the lady, Mrs. Joshi. In her sari also we have used different prints and all. So they are all looking different. Now after this, a very important part for any character or the character which was given to us by our department, we have worked on the expressions and that was done by using one of the site which is available for free. I'll just open my browser.
Just a minute, ma'am, I'm intervening here. Friends, you have to understand the difference. You'll have to ask the subject teacher कि मैम ये सीन बदल रहा है क्या? सीन बदलने का मतलब ये होता है कि आप अगर चाहें तो ड्रेस चेंज कर सकते हो. बिकॉज अगर एक ही सीन चल रहा है, यानी क्लासरूम में अगर टीचर है और उसी 1 घंटे के बाद में स्टाफ रूम में है या कहीं पर है, तो उसके अंदर हम उसके कपड़े नहीं बदल सकते बिकॉज वो कंटिन्यूटी में है. परंतु अगर वो शाम को घर पहुंच गई या अगले दिन आती है तो हम उसकी साड़ी का प्रिंट या कलर चेंज कर सकते हैं. तो ध्यान रखना है कि ब्लॉक्स में चेंज नहीं करना है, सीन पे चेंज करना है. और ये ब्लंटली आर्ट डिपार्टमेंट को पूछ लेना चाहिए सब्जेक्ट टीचर मैम से कि मैम बताइए कि सीन कब चेंज हो रहा है, क्योंकि मुझे कपड़ों का पैटर्न या डिजाइन चेंज करना पड़ेगा. और मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट चीज अब आ रही है एक्सप्रेशंस, क्योंकि आपको कम से कम जो डायलॉग बोला जा रहा है ये आपको सब्जेक्ट टीचर को साथ में बिठा के पूछना पड़ेगा कि मैडम ये 7-8 एक्सप्रेशन इस बच्चे के हैं या इस दादी के हैं या दादा के हैं, अब मुझे कौन सा एक्सप्रेशन इसमें डालना है बताइए. तो डायलॉग के हिसाब से एक्सप्रेशन बनता है. अगर वो सुन रहा है कोई चीज बोल नहीं रहा, उसको गुस्सा आ रहा है तो गुस्से का एक्सप्रेशन आएगा, खुशी है मुस्कुराएगा. तो ये एक्सप्रेशंस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं. और मैं फिर से आपको कह रहा हूँ कि हमें बहुत मुश्किल से फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी में काम हमने किया था. 1 साल लगा था हमको, 160 एक्सप्रेशंस एक बच्चे से बनवाया था हमने. तो मदर चाइल्ड टीम वाज देयर. और ये जो काम कर रहे हैं बीपीएस वाले, ये आपको, आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि आपको नहीं पता, जरूर आपको भी पता होगा सारे कंप्यूटर टीचर्स वालों को, पर अगर नहीं पता तो it is an excellent thing for you to understand, and the subject teacher and the art teacher can have so much fun after getting the expressions made. पर बुनियादी बात IT department please बता दो, you have to put in the scanned character sketch, then only all these things can happen, right? So yes. Sorry for disturbing you ma'am, but I don't know, जो मुझे लगता है बीच में बोलना जरूरी है. तो एक्सप्रेशंस आपके जब मिल जाएंगे, आपका ग्राफिक नॉवल बहुत जल्दी बन जाएगा, बहुत जल्दी.
Yes, thank you, sir. So, like characters which we receive from the art department, they should have a very sharp features. Their facial means the the sketch which our department has made, it was very sharp actually. So we have easily done the different, we have got the different expressions. Now how to get those expressions? You have to open Google. Now the site which I have to use, for that I will type the expression facial expression changer. Facial expression editor. If you want, you can just note it down. This expression, when you use in Google, it will give you the direct link of the website, which can be used to change the expressions of any character. So I'm just entering this expression. Now after this, you can see this first link, facial expression editor. This is the link which we have used to change the expressions. And this is the site which is online and it is available for free, which gives us plenty of expressions for the character. So I'm clicking on this link. When I click here, this window will open. Now here, what I have to do, I have to select the character first, for which I want the different types of expressions. So I have to click this symbol. Now after clicking this, it will open the folder from which I will select, like for example, I'm selecting this character, Mr. Prakash, and I open that file. Now some error, actually the site was, I think, problematic sometimes because of network. So you can see here that there are expressions listed over here, like Mr. Prakash has got, we have got 7 different types of expressions. There are you can see here, if you just give it a closer view, you will find it, all the expressions are different from their manner.
Don't worry, jo cheez reh gayi hai, that's excellent. So you can see the result of it.
This is Purva Dikshit. We have downloaded certain expressions, and they are so closely, means you can just monitor them and see, and you can fit it according to the script wherever it is required. Like this, Mr. Prakash Dikshit, and this one, Jyoti Dikshit, which I was showing you right now. And there are different expressions in the name also written as per the requirement. You can just put it into the scripts.
उन्होंने उसको क्लोज अप किया और एक क्लिक के अंदर, मैम कितने 5 या 6 एक्सप्रेशंस निकल कर आते हैं? सविता मैम?
Yes sir, there are 7 different expressions.
7 डिफरेंट, तो 7 अलग अलग एक्सप्रेशंस आपको एक क्लिक ऑफ अ बटन पे आते हैं. ये इतना आसान है, और ये मेरे लिए इतना कठिन था क्योंकि अगर आपने ये पूर्वा का कैरेक्टर देखा तो हम लोग जब सीबीएसई में थे, फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी का काम कर रहे थे, हम पूर्वा को ट्रेस करते और उसके चेहरे पे एक एक्सप्रेशन चेंज करते, फिर दोबारा ट्रेस करते, यानी कि उसके हमने 7 फोटो कॉपीज निकाली हुई थी बिना चेहरे के एक्सप्रेशन के, और उसके अंदर हम केवल चेहरे के एक्सप्रेशन डालते थे. So it was a tedious task for us, but it has become so simple now because after you set it, it just takes 1 click to get 7 expressions.
Request Vivek sir to continue with the presentation, which he will explain to merge the characters with the backdrop. Thank you so much. Vivek sir, over to you.
Good evening, everyone. From my side, I am going to explain you once all the backdrops and all the characters are finalized from the art department as well as the technical team. What next has to be done, that I am going to explain here. For that purpose, I am using a software which is very commonly used in almost all the computers. You also might have used that software. Its name is MS PowerPoint. Okay, so in MS PowerPoint, first of all, I am going to tell you how to manipulate a character, an image. So I'll take for a demo, I'm taking an image.
Vivek sir, keep on commenting from where you are picking the images. Also, you have to guide. I know everybody knows this, but be more. Keep on telling us that from where you get the images. Yeah.
Sure, ma'am. Okay, so after opening MS PowerPoint, we have to insert an image. So for that, we have to click on the Insert tab. Here, the second tab is Insert tab. I will click on the Insert tab. After clicking on Insert tab, in the image group, you will find this option Pictures. You have to click on Pictures. Then you have to find the picture where you have saved the location. So I have saved it. I'll double click on it. The image will be inserted in our slide. Now, what are the things we can do with this character or with this image? First, I don't want this white background plus this illustrated name here, farmer 2. So for that purpose, what I will do, when you will click on the slide, you can see here one tab is disappeared. So when you will click on that particular image or character, the tab will reappear on the window. On the extreme left corner, you will find this option, remove background. Click on the remove background. One selection pane will appear. You have to drag this handle till the area where you want the image should be selected. So I will drag it. Okay, this much area I want in the drawing on the slide. Now you will find 3 more options: mark area to keep, mark areas to remove, delete mark, and keep changes. So I'll click on remove area, mark areas to remove. Then I'm going to click on this area, which is inside the box, which is not, that is unwanted. After that, as you can see, just below in this area, this is not selected, so I'll click here also. And then I'm going to click on keep changes. Once I will click on keep changes, everything unwanted is removed. After doing this, now the next part is, if you want to rotate the image, if you want to rotate the image horizontally, vertically, all these things can be done with these handles. As you can see here, 8 handles are there, but it is my personal suggestion, don't use these handles which are at the middle, because these handles are going to change the aspect ratio of the character. See, for demo, I'll show you. If I will click on this handle and I will drag it, it is going to change the aspect ratio of the character. So don't work with these handles. If you want to increase or decrease the size, use these corner handles. Click here, the aspect ratio will be maintained. If you want to rotate, just bring that handle on this side. The image will be rotated like this. If you don't want to rotate the image with the handle, there is another option. Click on the image. In the format tab, arrange group, you will find this option, rotate. Click here. And the 4th option, you will get flip horizontal. Click here, you can see the image is rotated. Now suppose I want one more character which is facing this character. For that purpose, I have to copy this character and rotate. So for copying the image, I will press Ctrl C, Ctrl plus C, and then I will press Ctrl, Ctrl plus V. So now 2 images are on my slide. I'll bring this person here, this character here. Now this selected character, I'll again click on this rotate button and I will click on flip horizontal. Now these 2 persons are facing each other. So this is all about character. Now how to include a background, how to merge these characters with a background. Okay, one more thing, if you want to work with the color correction, what you have to do, simply click on the image. On the extreme left corner, you will find various options. Artistic effect, color, corrections are there. Artistic effect, you can see the change in the drawing. For corrections, if your background is very bright, so you can select these images. It will give some brightness to the character. If the person is standing in shady area, so you can select something like this. So like this, you can manipulate the images. Okay, once the images are finalized and we want to include the background, I will not take the background as an image, because then I have to resize the background with the slide area. So I'm going to include that the background as a slide background. So I will right click on the blank area of the slide, and the last option is format background. I will click on format background. This option will appear. Then the 3rd option is picture. I will click on this picture. Then you have to click on insert picture from file. Click on file, and then you have to locate which background you want to insert in this image. So I'm going to insert a village scene, this one, and I will click on insert. So now that background has set according to the size of the slide. Now what you have to do, just reduce or increase the size of the character according to the background which you have used. So suppose this person is coming from very far behind, so I will reduce this to this size and I can keep him at the back like this. And suppose this person is standing here, or I will do one thing, I'll take another character because two characters does not look good, so I'll delete it. Again, I will go to insert tab, I'll take a lady, I'll click on pictures, and suppose this lady I want to include in the picture. I'll click on the image and I will click on insert. The image will appear. Again, the same thing we have to do, we have to remove the background. So I will click on the image, format tab will appear. I will click on remove background. Then I have to select the image inside this selection box. Then click on mark areas to remove and click on this area which is inside the box and not wanted. Just click there. After final selection, click on keep changes and everything will be removed. Now simply reduce the size of the character and place it somewhere in the image wherever you want. Again, I will do copy paste, so I will press Ctrl C, Ctrl V so that I can show another lady is coming from somewhere, some other side, but I have to rotate her. So rotate the image. So I will select this image, I will click on rotate and the last option flip horizontal. The image is rotated. I will reduce the size and I will let her walk from somewhere here. Like this. So like this we can add the images in the background. One more thing we can do with MS PowerPoint, that if you want to include or insert some images from Google, so we can do that also. For that purpose, first I will open my web browser. Now here, simply you have to type transparent. Suppose I want to include some grass there. So I will enter transparent grass and you have to click on here images. Okay, now if you want some good quality image, because there are some images whose pixels are not very high and there are some images whose pixels are very high. So just to bifurcate those, you have to click on this tools option. Click on the tools option. On the left hand side, you will find this size button. Click on the size and select large. It will give you a good quality image. Okay, now there might be some right issues behind the images also. There are some people who don't want their images to be used anywhere. For that purpose, on the right corner, you will find this option usage right. Click here, you will find two options, Creative Commons license and commercial and other license. So we are not going to download any image which is commercially available. So we will click on Creative Commons license. Again, some different set of images will appear to us. See these images. So I can download an image, simply click on the image. It's downloading. So I have already downloaded one image for the demonstration purpose. So I will select that that type of grass. For that, again we have to go in insert tab, click on pictures. Then we have to find the location where we have saved that image. Okay, so this is the transparent image which I have already downloaded from the Google. You have to bring it in the image. Just place it wherever it is required and resize it. So like this, you can create a whole scene according to the requirement. Now I'm going to show you some of the backgrounds and some of the modified backgrounds which we have already done.
Backdrops which the art department has created. Like this was the village home. This was the pure artwork provided by the art department. And then and these all characters were also given one single piece, that's all. And then as what you all have seen over the session, like how they have changed their colors, etc. And then incorporated them in the situation here. Like what Sandeep sir was saying, it was really very magical to see that the art department initially had this lady having a plate to serve some juice. That was the artwork given. But when she was supposed to be here, we were like wondering, like, ab iske haath mein thali hai, so how to make her stand here during the welcoming. Then we just thought, like, okay, if it could be something different. Actually, it is not, zoomed. Otherwise, you'll see there's a beautiful flower vase in her hand. So it's looking as if she's doing a floral welcome. So this kind of transformation can be easily done. You know, a picture in the hand can be converted into a basket or anything like that. So this is another backdrop provided by the art department. Yeah, and then Vivek sir, continue. Yeah, now this you have already seen this, like where the characters are incorporated in it along with the transparent grass. Yes, further, sir. Yeah, this is another backdrop provided by the art department, and then the IT department has added the characters to as per the requirement of the scene, like they are getting closer to the village, so there are people around. Yes, Vivek sir, further. Yeah, this is another backdrop where we had a bus stop scene, but yes, our characters have to be there, so no need to draw the characters and the bus stop, everything. Now this is a basic pure backdrop, and then these children have dropped in like that. Backdrops can be merged with the characters can be merged into the backdrop. Yes, sir. Vivek sir, further.
So teachers and friends, these are the glimpses of the graphic novel of this school. So all that you're seeing right now, the village scene, the school bus scene, all that is going to come in the story. So this is how the art department had created some work which was handed over to the IT department. Now, isme na dekho relay race ki baat yaad rakhna. Art department cannot do much work until and of course the subject teacher is very clear. तो हम जो बार बार कहते हैं ना, लोकेशन लिखो, हर ब्लॉक के ऊपर लोकेशन होना चाहिए. चाहे 10 ब्लॉक्स के अंदर ड्राइंग रूम का लोकेशन है, पर लोकेशन आना बहुत जरूरी है. और आपको बताना है कि ये जो घर का मालिक है उसका फाइनेंशियल स्टेटस क्या है, उसके हिसाब से ही कारपेट और टीवी स्क्रीन आएगा. अगर फाइनेंशियल स्टेटस थोड़ा हल्का है तो ये फ्लैट स्क्रीन नहीं आएगा, टीवी दूसरा हो जाएगा. So all these aspects develop when you make it, they help the story, the narrative to go ahead. If the teacher is not giving this input, the art teacher cannot take a lot of decisions by themselves. उनको clarity चाहिए, और इसलिए best है if the subject teacher can write it and give in the blocks. Then the art teacher doesn't need to disturb you again and again. वो अपना काम कर लेगी, and the IT department will also do the work, provided the instructions are clear. If they have to call you again and again कि मैम ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा, then it's going to disturb a lot of people. The departments will do their work and then they'll call you कि मैम ये 10 blocks हमने तैयार कर लिए, देखो ठीक है क्या. So this is one very typical block where the 3 characters are there. The costumes may change, the colors may change, and the dialogues will come on the top. We're trying to get a Facebook link so that we could have more people on board, but वो नहीं हो पाया. But otherwise, the team has been working, because I said, ये थोड़ा और add करके दिखा दो. So this is the work which they have done last night. Now, even you can understand why the editing department has to do a lot of work to reduce the dialogues. अगर हमको लगता है इसमें dialogues बहुत हैं, तो इसको हम 2 blocks में डाल देंगे, या ये ब्लॉक को बड़ा कर देंगे, वो ऑप्शन भी है हमारे पास में. तो इट्स इजियर ना. और दूसरे ब्लॉक में क्या होगा, अगर मान लो इस ब्लॉक में 4 कैरेक्टर्स हैं, हम केवल मेल वाले के डायलॉग्स यहाँ पे डाल रहे हैं, अगले वाले में हम फीमेल का क्लोज अप कर लेंगे और फीमेल के डायलॉग्स डाल देंगे. तो ऑल दिस कैन हैपन व्हेन यू आर पैशनेट अबाउट थिंग्स.
Sandeep sir, can you see this one? See here, we have reduced the dialogues, we have broken those bubbles, and we are going to have
नजर आ रहा है ना, छत भी नजर आ रही है, इतना अच्छा सीलिंग का जो काम किया हुआ वो भी नजर आ रहा है, वॉल्स नजर आ रहे हैं, सब कुछ नजर आ रहा है. अदरवाइज आप बहुत डायलॉग डाल दोगे तो एस्थेटिकली मजा नहीं आएगा. So you can divide the dialogues into two blocks. और मैं क्या मैम इसको हिला मत, मान लो कि अगर कुछ डायलॉग बेटा और माँ बोल रहे थे और कुछ जवाब बेटी और बाप दे रहे थे, तो आप एक ब्लॉक के अंदर चारों को रखो, परंतु माँ और बेटे को बोलने दो. नेक्स्ट ब्लॉक में आप थोड़ा सा जूम कर दो बेटी और बाप के ऊपर और डायलॉग वहां पे ले आओ, तो लगेगा भी कि ब्लॉक अलग हो चुका हुआ है. It will, when you zoom something, it creates a little difference. So that's fine. या तब तक फादर का कोई एक्सप्रेशन चेंज कर लेना.
Right, sir, right. Our department and technical team, I'm sure these are the questions, beautiful questions for you. Dear participants, you can, we'll answer these questions which you have put in. But even other than that also, if you have some queries, you can still type. There's a question
So I'm
like,
reading out the first question which I have answered.
Yes, sir.
The first question was, our department will draw and IT department will give the final touch. So it is so, or our department will create and then scan the sketch or character. Our department will draw, create the character, scan the character, and then let the computer IT department change the colors and change the expression. तो इसलिए आर्ट डिपार्टमेंट को बहुत फाइन शार्प फीचर्स का कैरेक्टर बनाना चाहिए, which should be absolutely complete. How can we remove background, shade, or color of the images? I do not know the answer of this. Manoj Singh is asking this question.
Yes, sir. Rohit sir, can you answer? Chandrika ma'am, are you there to answer for this question? How can we remove background, shade, or color of the images? I think, sir, this can be done technically as well. You know, how can we remove the background, shade, or color of the image? Vivek, sir, you have shown that, right? You know, when we bring in a character. Yes, sir. That was sure.
उसका जवाब मिल चुका है क्या? Okay, now this one is very interesting. By using the facial expression editor, we can change the expression. But when we download it, only face is downloaded, not the entire picture. But I have seen the facial expression changes in the total figure. आपकी वो जो सलवार सूट वाली लड़की है जो आपने मुझे पहले इसका भेजा था, I've seen the changes of the face in that. तो long shot में भी changes हैं. Means I can assure you because I've seen it.
Namita ma'am, your query will be beautifully answered in the form of a video, right, Savita ma'am? We'll produce that video and we'll share it with Sandeep sir. Yeah. Then there is.
If I had not to see it yesterday, I would have doubted. But I've seen it myself, and once they send me the video of that, I'm going to send it to all the principals. So don't worry, you will definitely get it because I've seen it yesterday. अगर मैंने कल देखा नहीं होता तो मुझे भी होता कि पता नहीं क्या होगा. But I've seen it.
Sir, actually we have done, then it is not doing. It is not working on that. That's why I was asking.
Not to worry. Not to worry.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, the next question is, are these provisions available in core processor? i3 core processors. Vivek sir, Deepika ma'am? I think they are only available in Android.
Ma'am, my own laptop is i3 7th generation. It will support, ma'am, not an issue.
All right. Sandeep sir, actually, see, I would like to tell the beauty of these backdrops and the character merging. Because in the blocks, you know, when the story is coming up, the blocks are too many. Like we have around 87 blocks, which may be further broken. But then we have come down to only 17 backdrops. So that is the easiness of the work. Yeah, that is the easiness of it. So one.
Yeah, so 17 जो आपके locations आए हैं, उसमें आप और देखना कि अगर एक character आपका है, Mr. Joshi or whatever his name is, you will also be able to realize कि Mr. Joshi कितने blocks में है. और मिस्टर जोशी अगर मान लो 84 या 90 ब्लॉक्स में से 25 ब्लॉक्स में है, तो 25 ब्लॉक्स में 2 बार या 3 बार कपड़े चेंज हो रहे हैं. तो दिस इज हाउ द entire thing becomes very mathematical, and then our teacher knows, okay, now I need to give only 3 dresses. Sir, मैं आपको 3 dresses दे दूंगी. So that's how they'll talk, and maybe it will motivate. Maybe the teacher will motivate. You know, I'm making a fresh. I'm taking a tracing copy of the character, and I'm going to make him a suit now. ये भी हो सकता है. अगर हम सूट पहनाना है उसको तो आसान है, आप वो जो कैरेक्टर है उसको एक बॉडी स्केच पहले करो, उसके बाद में उसको सूट पहना के हाथ से कर लिए और उसका स्कैन कर लीजिए। तो अगर कपड़े चेंज करना है तो एक कैरेक्टर को आप थोड़ा बहुत ऐसा काम कर सकते हैं, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द ओकेशन। यू वांट हिम टू वेयर अ 2-piece सूट, 3-piece सूट, पहना दो उसको, केवल आपको ट्रेसिंग पेपर से उसको स्केच दोबारा करना पड़ेगा।
Everyone for being patient and listening. And if you have queries, please put them in the chat box or you can ask Sandeep sir. We'll definitely get back to you. And Sandeep sir, again, thank you so much for giving my team this platform. You know, it was an amazing work where so many schools have come together and we've shared what we could. Thank you, Sandeep sir, really. And you make us so comfortable, you know, and you could see that Savita was being nervous. I'm so happy that you do the hand holding. That is there every time. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Feedback form, please.
Thank you, everyone. Of course, we'll be sending you the recording of everything, but I'm going to wait for recording of expression to come and send it to your pupils. Be rest assured. जितने स्कूलों ने आज अटेंड किया और नहीं अटेंड किया, सब रिकॉर्ड्स की मिलेगी, ठीक? Thank you, Ritam. Thank you, Defty. Thank you, everyone, the partner, Superman. I hope session was a interesting one. And if नजर आए कार्यक्रम के अंदर कि हम ग्राफिक्स नॉवल के बनकर आएगा, उसमें जाएगा.
Thank you all the participating schools. It was really nice to meet all of you at this learning session. As Sandeep sir said, maybe in future we'll be again meeting along with our children. Thank you for all your lovely comments. We will really keep our motto high. We'll be highly spirited. We have got messages from almost getting them continuously, but we really appreciate your feedbacks. Kindly fill them. So we'll be here for some more time till you finish up your feedback forms, right? Then the close team that is working right now is Savita ma'am, Deepika ma'am, and Vivek sir, who has explained all of these things to us. As I always say, the one who is behind all this thing is with a lot of excitement and want to bring the innovation is Ritu Sharma ma'am. So we all are there to help everyone the best possible way. Sandeep sir, we will look forward for further meetings and the learnings from each one of us, right? Thanks again to all of you.
Definitely, ma'am. Sure. So thank you, everyone. Let's part. It's a nice 1 hour, 20-minute session that we've had. And I'm sure everyone has gained a lot. Thank you.